my dog Red really likes swimming in the pond chasing this. Just watch. Oh, did that get, oh. I can't throw one-handed. Come on, Red. Red. See? He's chasing after it. Sorry, I missed the throwing, but look at him. He just, listen. Sorry about the lawnmower, but do you hear that? That's him breathing through his nose. Oh, good boy, Redneck. Okay, throw number 3. Red, get the ball. Go get it, Red. Good boy. Good boy, Redneck. Aw, Bailey, what are you doing? You're ruining the shot. Dang it, Bailey. Oh, darn. Redneck, drop it. You got me all wet, you jerk. Okay. Yeah, let's go again. Okay. Redneck. Go get it, Red. Yeah, this was just my dog swimming in a pond, being a weirdo. You see him over there? That crazy pup. Oh God, I can't zoom in. Okay, well, bye YouTube. I'm the Vlog Nerd, and just wanted to show you my dogs. They're really weird. PJ doesn't go outside much.